Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI in Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you've opened up Gemini in your web browser, you are going to go to the bottom left corner, then select Settings, and then select Apps, which has like this puzzle icon. From there, scroll down and then look for Productivity. So under Productivity, you're going to look for something which says Google Workspace. So on default, Google Workspace is going to be disabled, and all you have to do to enable it is to go to the right and then toggle this on. And it's going to say, do you want to connect your Google Workspace? You're going to say yes, and then go to the bottom, select Connect. So from here, it's going to have access to your Gmail, Google Docs, Google Keep, and all your other Google applications. So now you have to go to the top left and then select Expand Menu, and then select New Chat. Then if you go to Ask Gemini, you're simply going to put in the add symbol, and then it's going to give you a list of the Google applications in which you can choose from. So there's Google Maps, YouTube, Workspace. I'm going to use Gmail, for example, and I'm going to say, give me a list of my latest emails, and then I'm going to hit enter. So now it says connecting, and then we have to wait for a few seconds. Then here it's going to give you a nice little list of all of your latest emails on your Gmail. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.